Hello, my scrappy friends, and welcome to Ginger from Ginger's Corners 1000 Subbie Hop. And I'm so excited to be here. I wanted to show you what she sent me to work with. It's absolutely gorgeous. My plan is to combine it with the sketch from day 5 of the best of 30 days of sketches from Christy's Beautiful Life. This is designed by Susan Stringfellow from Sketch Savvy. Okay, the one I did yesterday is also from her. Let me move my photos. This is some ballerina cardstock. I pulled some things that would match. But let me show you what she sent me. Okay, I'm going to actually put it on the ballerina. She made this really cool envelope out of like junk mail. It's still has the envelope, the window to it. And then she made me, look at this summer banner. Isn't it adorable? And it's so detailed. It has little like pearl flat backs on either end, and the alphabet is cut out. I thought it really matched this paper. Okay, also, she sent me flowers. Look at those 3 flowers that match. And these flowers that match. And let's see, let me put these up here. A bicycle. Is that not cute? And she added probably like some shimmer, what's it called? Shimmer. Looks like charcoal shimmer. You'll have to tell me if that's true. From close to my heart. You'll have to let me know if that's true, Ginger, but I love the detail on it. And then the little bitty enamel dots. And then I have tags. And this one is decorated and it says grow. And these I can do what I wish. And here is another flower and more of these pink flowers that look kind of like roses. And then I have tabs. I have all kinds of tabs. I like to punch tabs with my scraps. Okay, and then she made me this beautiful cluster, and it's got a hummingbird on it. Look at that. And this is beautiful. It's just gorgeous. Here's another tab. I have a butterfly here. I have this word that says flourish, so a beautiful flourish. I have bloom. I have another hummingbird. I have a word sticker that says the best day. And look at that. I have a windmill. I live out on a farm / ranch, so that will be perfect. So they all coordinate, right? There's I call it lagoon, and then this pink, which would be like raspberry, and then this gray, which is probably like charcoal. It all goes together, but at the same time, I can see several different layouts made with this. And so I wouldn't call it struggling, but I have been really indecisive about what I want to make today. And I have decided to go with the hummingbirds because they're so cute. Oh, and they have a little bit of glitter on their beaks from that same shimmer brush. That's what they're called, a shimmer brush. I'll like this. I'm assuming this one's not charcoal. This is a sapphire, but that's, oh, they have so many different uses. I took my Epson Picture Mate, and I haven't trimmed these yet, and I'm still kind of learning how to use this new app that Aaron Jacobson told me about. And I think it's called Size to Print or something like that. And previously I've been using my Epson Picture Mate Creative Print app, and but this you can actually like figure out how much of a white border. I couldn't move it with my little finger. These I actually printed a little better, at least this one. But the dog doesn't go with these photos, but I thought about these 3 photos, and I know my hummingbird feeder is red. But this sketch calls for 3 3x4s vertical. So I thought, you know, why not? It should go with it. There's a couple of tags. And then I want to show you this paper I found that matches so well. This is from like, it was like some monthly special years and years ago. And I have this dot paper in several colors. And the back side, I could fussy cut that. I'm not really a fan of the non-white background though. I don't even know what you call that. But this, look at that. It matches perfect. And then I'd already pulled this pink from Doodlebug design. It's called a buffalo check on one side. Look at that. And on this side is a wood grain. And I think it matches perfectly as well. And then I have scraps of my ballerina. And the ballerina it's 2-sided, so there's a lighter side and a darker side. So I have no idea what I'm doing or if I'll even stick with these photos, but I thought I could at least use this and some of the tags, right? Because it has tags in the sketch. And see, that matches really well with the tag she sent me. Summer would work. I'm not sure it'll work with the sketch, but maybe it could be the title across right there. Instead of being up in a corner, it could be right there. Okay, I'm getting an idea. And I think my hummingbirds are flourishing because I am the hummingbird mom. Before I was a puppy mom, I was a hummingbird mom. So I think I have an idea. I think I'll save the windmill and the bicycle for maybe even 2 different layouts. And I've got the flowers. And I may even save this for another layout. I love stretching my supplies and seeing how many layouts I can get out of something. So I will come back with a completed layout. So hang on. Hello everyone, I'm back with my completed layout. It really didn't take me very long at all. I found a few more matching papers. This is an old embossed cardstock from an old collection called Blue Skies. And this is the back side. This buffalo plaid is the back side of the wood grain. I found some coordinating enamel dots. I had some pink ones. And then I had some of these turquoise ones from their Nouveau drops I had put on this. Also found these colors are so pretty, and I have so much of it and close to my heart. I found some baker's twine in the lagoon and raspberry. And I put my embellishments that Ginger made, I put them in this tray so I could kind of find them better. And don't laugh at me, but I can't find my second hummingbird. Like, it just completely disappeared. I spent all this time looking for it. So the layout actually didn't take very long, but looking for that hummingbird took forever, and I cannot find it. Also found this old, very old mini medley lagoon embellishments with ribbon, buttons, these little metal thingies, and some brads. But I decided to not use them. Also, I did change the schedule. Ooh, a little bit. Sorry about that. I ended up not putting a tag here because I put the tags down here. And let's see. There wasn't anything here. I put a tab here. I just was trying to make my 3 clusters. Oh, I also used this paper. It's from a mix-in from 2019, but I put that under the photos, and I lifted this one up like it has in a photo in the sketch, but I left them all in a row. So anyway, I love it. I love how well this coordinates, and I have all of this still left to make another layout, which I will try to do in the next few days and post another layout with maybe something completely different. If you hear anything in the background, Mr. Finley the puppy is in here tearing up a, what do you call it? It's a Cricut, it's the paper roll to the Cricut vinyl. And he's been having fun, but now he's into other stuff. So I'm going to have to get off of here, but let's see. I just wanted to, what else do I want to say? I just wanted to say that I'm so excited for Ginger hitting her 1,000 subscribers. She's even past that. Isn't that exciting? I mean, I'm only at 100 and whatever, but I guess you got to start somewhere, right? And she provides so much to our Love RTS Facebook group, which stands for Love Record the Story, which is a Janet Madison group on, well, the group is about how much we love Janet Madison's YouTube channel, RTS Scrapbooking, and now she's also mostly on Patreon, but it only costs $1. Anyway, so Ginger is giving away 2 giveaways, and one is specifically for people in that Facebook group. So go watch Ginger's video, and also my other friends that are making layouts with what she sent us. And join, Ginger has a link, I believe, to the Facebook group. If not, you can just search for it, Love RTS, and join it, and then you can enter for a chance to win this huge stack of goodies. And then she also has another stack of goodies for YouTube subscribers, and they are both huge. She's been accumulating them for months, and she has awesome things: papers, dies, stamps. She's made some paper kits, and it's gonna be amazing whoever gets to win it. So, like, make room in your scrapbook room for it. Kind of amazing. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I'm rambling on now, so I'm gonna stop. And I do have to say that it was hard for me to use these photos with the red feeder, but you know what? I think with the bright raspberry color here, it really just kind of blends in. What do you think? And I don't think this would have been near as pretty with a red base. So I think it's perfect. What she made me was easy to use, and I love how her mantra is there's no wrong way to scrapbook. Just get the story down, which, by the way, I will add some journaling, I think, right here, about how I love my hummingbirds. Okay, well, that's it. Have a great day. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're not already a subscriber, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.